How to recover deleted apps on Android. So in this video, I'm gonna guide you to manage those deleted apps on your Android phone. So watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So in order to recover those deleted apps, you have to proceed towards your Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. So on Android, we will open the Play Store and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you open it on this menu box, you have to select Manage Apps and Device option, and then you need to simply select Manage button, which is next to Overview. And on this device, you have to select the drop down or the arrow like button and select Not Install option. Now on this apps box, you will see all the uninstalled and deleted apps on your Android, that is 4G Lite only mode, Flipkart online shopping app, and so many apps are here. So you have to simply select any particular app that you want to recover. So simply select this checkbox next to it, and you need to select the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, you will easily recover deleted apps on Android. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.